All right, good morning, cyber traders. How's everybody doing? Let's get a little chat back. You guys could hear loud and clear. All right, excellent. Well, it is Tuesday, and you know what? Today's a very big day because today is not only it looks like it's going to be a fun shipping day with all the shipping stocks, and also it's hump day, and it's also phase 3 class that we're going to be doing, but it is election day. So before we get started, guys, don't forget to vote today. Remember, this is what's one of the greatest things about our U.S. economy. You have the right to go out there and vote, so just want to remind everybody to go out there and vote, all right? I didn't vote yet. I'm going to vote tonight. Now, next thing. Nope, nothing about being political, but let's get right into what we have been benefiting from this what's going on in today's market, what's going on in today's world. Trading. Let's go out there and talk about some trading, guys, and let's get ready for class because I'm excited. Guys, listen. Remember when we traded DRYS last year and a lot of you made so much money and you were like, my God, I wish I was there. I heard about it. I always kind of use the unicorn theory. It's like, oh, yeah, I heard about it, but I never seen one, right? Guess what? If you're a new trader, let me tell you something. You should be ecstatic because this is what we do. If you've been trading with us, now you know you could jump on it and actually benefit from it and get aggressive. You guys have killed it. I was so jealous on Friday, like I told you, when I saw you guys were trading the DCIX and I was not here, up 600%. But we all know, and I always tell everybody this, it's okay. You can't cry over spilt milk, or you can't say, you missed a Grand Slam home run because it spinned off even from yesterday. So all the shipping stocks are doing phenomenal, all right? So let's talk a little bit about them, get them on this watch list. Okay, first biggest one on the watch list, TOPS, T-O-P-S. Now, listen, is this for real? I mean, who's Dana? You know better than anyone, but Dana, was this stock really $80,000, and right now it's trading at $320 with all the reverse stock splits? It was $140,000 at one point. I mean, it just is. Look at this one, DRYS, with all the splits. Was this a $3 million stock back in a share back in 2016? I guess so. I guess so. With all this reverse stock splits, and they did so many of them. But anyway, they're doing so when you're looking at it, you're like, oh, it's up 400%. I'm missing it. Listen, you know what's crazy? Does anybody know what the news is on these shipping companies? What's making them? I'm looking all over the place. Anybody know what the news is on any of them? What's going on? Is it because President Trump is in China right now? And I know we don't care, but there is. Something is making them all move. Something is going on right out there. Somebody must have said something that they're all moving. It's just amazing. Listen, I've been doing this for so long, and even when DRYS came out and we had that big run up back in October, whatever it is, right here when they had that big run, I didn't know what the news was. I know it was a short squeeze, whatever it is. These guys had a reverse split. But that doesn't – it's a short squeeze? Well, let me tell you something. That's one hell of a squeeze because you know what? There's not really that many shares out there. But anyway, let's go through the picks because I want to get ready for class because I'm pretty excited what's going on. All right, so we got TOPS on the watch list. We got GLBS on the watch list, another stock that's making a big run. We got SHIP on the watch list, all the shipping stocks. You could see every single one of them looking amazing. SHIP, ECs. You know what's so funny? I totally forgot about ECs. EC is another one that's making a, and I also totally forgot about SINO. It just kind of made up the watch list. You could see them. They're all coming up right here. DCIX, look, 80%, 60%, 45%. All of them are moving pretty nicely. And a lot of you guys remember a lot of these shipping stocks. And then obviously the famous DRYS. Obviously the only one that's really not moving that much compared to all the rest of them. Look at DNR, Fausto, FF flag for a short squeeze, please. I'm going to get to that. I got that one on the list. I wasn't too completely sold on that one, but we're going to check it out, all right, James? All right, so anyway, those shipping stocks made the watch list. All right, so what else is going to make the watch list? Now, talking about shifting different industry, let's talk about some of the other things that made the watch list, because there were some really nice, good losers out there. TLGT. Biggest percentage loser right now, down 37%. You can see it's down $3. Listen, you want to be a good a swing trader, you want to be a good option trader, you better learn how to day trade first. And you can see how that thing took a big hit. And if you didn't know what to do, guess what? You wake up this morning, you think, oh, the stock, I have it at 7, it's at 5, maybe it'll come back, it's testing major supports. Yeah, well, guess what? It doesn't look like it's working out too well. But anyway, it's got some support levels here, so I might look at this. Maybe not. It looks like it broke it. Looking for, I figure maybe we'll see a little dead cat bounce, but I don't know if that's going to happen. But I'm going to put down the watch list because I love to bottom fish, all right? And I'm not talking about the real fish, because it is, but that's a lingo we go by when it comes to trading. Another stock we could bottom fish, down 31%. The stock was $16 stock, down to 11. It does have some support levels right around here. You could see it right there, so that one's not terrible. I'm going to put that one on the watch list also. Guys, VRX, did you see what happened? What the hell's going on here? VRX came from nowhere. Look at that. Oh, 15%. We've been trading that forever, VRX. I got a funny story to tell you, but I want to get ready to trading. But that VRX, an older gentleman came up to me and wanted to take my class, and he couldn't because of he got his stockbroker got him to his position, and he was so heavily into it, he couldn't afford it, and that's when the stock was, let me go back. It was probably like 260. He thought it was a buy. He thought it was a buy when it would hit 110. Look where it went. It went only down to 20. DNR, another stock that was going to make the watch list right here. DNR up 7%, not up a lot. It's got a nice little push. Stock took a nice little hit, nice little trend, nice little level 1 stock, so I'm going to throw that one also on the watch list. James says VRX is reducing debt. It's still a dog. Well, listen, anybody here in debt? Every time we're in debt and we get rid of debt, let me tell you, it takes a whole bunch of bricks off your chest. So, you know what? Don't sit there and analyze it, James. Let's see how it goes. But VRX, I can tell you one thing. We know about VRX. It is a pretty nasty stock to trade. It gets very, very, very volatile. A lot of you guys know that. All right. So with all that, all that said with that stock. All right. So what do we got? We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 stocks. That's a lot. That's usually what I look at. Now, there is some word going around. Everybody's talking a little bit about Weight Watchers. Weight Watchers is moving up pretty nicely, too. But you know what? Why go trade a $50 stock? All right? It was a great swing trade, great swing trade. But, I mean, and it's going up great. I don't know why it's going up. I know Oprah bought some stock in it, and she got crushed on it. Doesn't mean that she still has it. I don't know what happened. But anyway, Weight Watchers is doing great. But let's focus on, less risk, more reward. Because remember, look how much more money we make in tops, GLBS, SHIP, DCIX, ECs, all that good stuff. All right, anything I'm missing I did not call out? Yeah, if you thought HMNY is bad, try VRX. That's funny, Lita. All right, anything else? I think we got them all. All right. Dana, you did pretty well on Weight Watchers, made money on your earnings. Good for you, Dana. Good for you. All right, guys, now listen, in class, I'm going to go over a couple of very important things because I got a couple of requests that came in emails. We'll talk about it once again. For everybody that's a gold and platinum, a diamond student, I'll see you in the next 15 minutes. But one of the big things we're going to talk about is money management, okay? A lot of us don't know when we're ready to go to that next level. As some of you jump too fast and you don't know how to, and then you don't know how to take a step back. So we're going to talk a little bit about that stuff too. So don't worry about that. All right, guys? I'm going to break in nice and slowly. We're going to talk a little bit about that. I know we kind of do a little bit of it in phase 2, but I think money management has been a little big issue because with all these big winners that we've been having, some of you guys are missing it, and some of you guys not only just miss it, but don't know if you're ready to when to be very, very aggressive and take that shot for that home run. And we're going to talk about that today for the next 2 days. All right, guys? Listen, good luck today. Be safe. And I'll see you all, the ones that are going to be, that are students, I'll see you in class. We're going to have a lot of fun today. I'm really excited. And for the ones that are not or want to know about it, talk to Education Advisor, tell you a little bit about it. And if everyone that's going to be in the room, remember, see something, say something, all right? Good luck, everyone. Happy trading.